If you're treating your pet for arthritis, or if you just received a recent diagnosis of arthritis in your pet and you're trying to figure out what the best treatment plan is, you might be a little confused and overwhelmed by all the options there are and maybe wondering what you can expect moving forward. I don't want this to be confusing for you, so I would like to give you three key points about treating arthritis, which will just help kind of cut through the noise a little bit and help you understand your options a little bit better and what you can expect in the future. The first thing to know about treating arthritis in pets is that this is not a curable condition. It is a chronic and progressive disease. Once there's damage in the joints, unfortunately, we can't reverse that. What we can do is work to manage their symptoms. So that means treating their pain and improving their mobility, and also slowing the progression of the disease. That's why we like to treat sooner than later, as soon as the pet's showing some symptoms, because it gives us a chance to help slow the disease progression. If you see good initial results, just keep in mind this is going to be a lifelong process. They're going to need some kind of treatment for life. The second thing to understand about treating arthritis in pets is that not every pet responds the same way to treatment. Whatever's working for your neighbor's dog down the block may or may not also work really well for your pet. Don't get frustrated if your initial treatment plan isn't working the way you hoped. There are probably at least 20 different things that we can do to help pets with arthritis. Obviously, we're not going to ask you to do all 20 of those things. We'll probably pick between one and three and see how those go and then tweak things from there. So, if you're not seeing the results that you hoped for or your pet's developing side effects, make sure to check back in with your veterinarian and let them know what you're observing at home so they can make changes to the plan. This might take a little bit of back and forth and trial and error, but there's probably something that we can find that works for your pet. Don't get discouraged. The last thing to understand about treating arthritis in pets is that because this is a chronic and progressive condition, what's working now may or may not be working 6 months or 12 months or even 18 months down the line. Don't get frustrated if your pet initially seems to respond really well to treatment and then they backslide a little bit. That is normal with the progression of the disease. And what you want to do is talk with your veterinarian about whether we need to layer in other treatments or change things up a little bit. Now that you understand these three key points about treating arthritis in pets, hopefully you can move forward with more confidence and make good decisions that are going to support your pet's quality of life and well being for as long as possible. My name is Carolyn Nawn, and I am the owner and medical director of Arms of Aloha, where we believe every pet deserves peace, comfort, and dignity at the end of their life. If this video was helpful for you, please share it with your friends. And if there's anything else you'd like me to discuss, drop us a comment below. Mahalo.